In today's offering, I'm going to answer a question from a viewer regarding the BCB cooker. The question was, are 2 doors better than 1? Let's find out. So to complete this little experiment, we've got 2 BCB cookers. We've got 2 identical mugs. You've also got 2 identical trangiers. We're then going for 2 ounces of fuel in each. We're also going for 2 cups of water in each. All the 2s together today. Let's fire them up. Give them a minute to bloom. I'm also using 2 identical lids that I didn't mention earlier. These are Pathfinder lids, stainless steel. They're not meant for this type of BCB mug, but I got them and I'll whack down the edges a bit, and now they fit beautifully. I just wanted to thank the viewer for asking the question, and I'm really glad to be able to answer it. I'm also going to set the timer because I'm sure someone's going to ask me what was the time difference. By the way, I'm going to make this scientific, and I'm going to use my temperature jobber. The observant amongst you would have worked out that I've made a schoolboy error. I put the metal handles on the side that's venting the alcohol flames. So that means that these handles are going to be hotter than Satan's backside. So as a precaution, people, it's okay. I'm wearing a glove. We're just over 6 minutes in and I can hear something's happening. That's about 65 degrees Celsius for 1 door. And 69 Celsius for 2 doors. We're just over 9 minutes in. Now the biggest advantage I can see for having 2 doors is wind resistance. I'm not sure if you can see the breeze that's going through there. It's blowing a lot of the flames out and over the handles. I think we might just be about there. .97 degrees on there, and I'm out of fuel. .96 degrees there, and I'm out of fuel. So in my little test, in answer to the question that I was asked, are 2 doors better than 1? I don't think it makes any difference. The caveat to that would be, if it's a windy day, this would give you more wind protection. I've got another little BCB cooker here, and if you're wondering why there's a cutout in the front, then watch the next video coming up after this one.